Are you ready to take your family on an unforgettable adventure? So many families want to head to Italy and see the Colosseum and the Leaning Tower of Pisa. But imagine exploring ancient ruins, tasting delicious local foods, and experiencing the beauty of Sicily, an island steeped in history, culture, and adventure. Today, I'm sharing a 10-day itinerary packed with fun and engaging family activities that will create memories to last a lifetime. So keep watching for the magic of Sicily and why it should be on your family's bucket list. I'm Christina.
I'm a traveler, a planner, and most importantly, a mom. I'm sharing my best tips to make traveling as a family a little less stressful. So put down your phone, pack your bags, and let's showcase the world.
I'm Christina, and I'm the owner of Showcase the World Travel, a modern travel agency dedicated to helping families take a break from the busy. I specialize in creating unforgettable family vacations, and I've helped hundreds of families explore some of the world's most magical destinations. Today, we're diving into one of my favorites, Sicily. This stunning island offers a perfect mix of adventure, culture, and relaxation for families. I love destinations that we can balance all of that together, that we can add a little culture, a little adventure, and some relaxation for those busy families. From exploring ancient ruins to making Sicilian food together, your kids will be captivated by the sights, sounds, and flavors of this incredible destination. So let's explore the family-friendly experiences that await you in Sicily. So I'm going to kind of go through this day by day as I would do a basic itinerary. We customize all of our itineraries for our families, but this is just kind of a starting point for you. And I think that all starting points for Sicily start in Palermo, and your family's journey will start there, Sicily's bustling capital. After you arrive at the airport, you'll head to the Grand Hotel Wagner. This hotel is perfect for families, offering spacious rooms and a welcoming atmosphere. You can relax and unwind after your flight or take a stroll around the hotel's beautiful grounds and nearby attractions. I always love to take it easy on your first day, especially traveling with kids. Let kids explore the hotel's gardens or grab some gelato in the city center before settling into your home away from home. Right? You never know how they're going to take the time change, how they're going to feel after the flight. And so I like to take it easy that first day, not plan anything, and kind of take it as it goes. If there's things that didn't make my itinerary, I kind of have them on the back burner. So I'm like, oh yeah, everyone has energy. Everyone's feeling great. Let's go do this thing that didn't quite make the itinerary. On day 2, you dive right into the heart of Palermo. Take a leisurely breakfast at your hotel because when you book with a Virtuoso travel advisor, you do get hotel and get breakfast included. And so that's a big perk of booking with a travel advisor. And start with a guided walking tour that will take you through the Capo Market, a lively, colorful market where kids can see, smell, and taste the fresh fruit, vegetables, and Sicilian delicacies. Imagine their eyes lighting up to try local treats like cannoli or my favorite, arancini. This is Sicily at its most authentic. Kids will love the excitement of the market. We make sure the tour includes interactive activities that have you tasting the food and trying out traditional Sicilian snacks. Afterwards, you can enjoy a delicious family lunch at a place like the Galleria restaurant, where even the pickiest eaters will love flavorful dishes. I love to pair market tours with cooking classes. So you go and pick out your ingredients and then you go and learn how to prepare them. Getting kids' hands dirty and experiencing a culture with all of their senses, including touch and taste, is so important. And so I love cooking classes. That's always my family's favorite part of a trip. My family, we travel, all my brothers and all my nieces and nephews. So there's regularly, 10 to 20 of us on a trip. And most people would say the cooking class is their favorite part of the trip. After lunch, you can explore Via Libertà. It's the main shopping street with designer shops like Gucci and Louis, but there's plenty of quirky stores for the kids to explore too. Let them pick out their fun souvenirs or try some funny Sicilian hats. Day 3 will take you to Cefalu, which is a charming seaside town that combines stunning beaches with fascinating history. As you stroll through the medieval streets, kids can imagine themselves in another time, playing hide and seek among the ancient buildings. We'll also enjoy a relaxed guided walking tour of this picturesque town before having lunch at one of the local trattorias. After lunch, head straight to the beach. Let the kids play in the soft sand or splash around in the crystal clear waters. It's a perfect way to cool off and enjoy some town time. In the afternoon, you'll check into Mangia's Polina Resort. It's a family-friendly haven nestled in the hills with a pool that the kids will love. And I know my daughter ranks hotels based on their pools, no matter where we are in the world, whether we're in the city center of Rome or in the French countryside, she will tell me how she feels about the pool or lack thereof. There's a variety of activities like mini golf in kids clubs, and they'll have a blast while you can relax. You'll have the rest of the evening free to enjoy dinner together in one of the restaurant's family-oriented restaurants. Day 4 will bring you to Castle Buono, another lovely medieval village, and you can step into the fairy tale world when you visit the Castello di Ventimiglia, a centuries-old castle with breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains. Imagine your little ones playing knights and princesses as they run through the castle's courtyards and ramparts. You'll also stop at Fiasconaro Deli, where the kids can sample traditional Sicilian treats like panettone and Colomba Pascal, which is a sweet, mouth-watering delight that will make everyone smile. And after lunch, you can return to the resort where you can enjoy some free time. Put the kids in the kids clubs, enjoy the spa, or join a cooking class together. Explore the restaurant's lush grounds or just relax by the pool. On day 5, you'll visit Scacca, a beautiful coastal town known for its colorful streets and stunning views. Another guided walking tour will take you through the charming streets while telling you stories of the area. I feel like guided tours really help bring a destination to life, and we really work with guides that are kid friendly and can help tell stories, right? So it's not the dry, here's this, here's this, here's the type of architecture. It's like, here's the people who lived here, and imagine this, and let me tell you the story, right? The atmosphere is lively and there's plenty to keep them engaged, especially when you stop for some fresh seafood at a local restaurant. They also have a lovely beach in Scacca where kids can splash around and play in the sand. So I love to balance your days with a tour and then some downtime if you haven't picked that up by day 5 yet. Torre del Barone Resort. You can check in here as well, where you enjoy a range of activities from beach games to poolside fun. And this resort is designed with families in mind, offering spacious rooms and kid-friendly amenities like family cooking classes and interactive activities to keep the little ones entertained. This particular itinerary has a lot of moving around. We can kind of pick the highlights for you and your family and, start in Palermo and then end at one of the beach resorts so you're not moving around as much, or we can keep the itinerary intact. We customize everything for our families. We get to know you, what's interesting to you, and help that come alive for your family. So if it's ruins, or if your kids are interested in mythology or archaeology or architecture, we're able to really highlight that. We'll let all of the guides know, and they'll create a custom experience for you and your family. So if you haven't already in some of your downtime on day 6, I think it's the perfect time for a family cooking class at the Torre de Barone Resort. They have a great cooking class here to learn how to prepare traditional Sicilian dishes like pasta alla norma and caponata. It's a perfect bonding experience for the family, and everyone will be proud of the meal you create. I also love bringing the recipes home and reliving the trip and the memories of the trip by creating those dishes at home. Like I said, kids love getting their hands dirty and learning how to cook like the locals. And of course, you get to enjoy the delicious meal you made together. My daughter doesn't love pasta, and even our cooking class in Italy, she'll say is one of her favorite things because she got to make the pasta. She didn't eat it, but she got to make the pasta. And that was something that was super, super enjoyable for her. Again, downtime in the afternoon, let the kids enjoy the pool or the beach, or put them in the kids club while you unwind with a spa treatment or some quiet time. Day 7 is all about history and exploration of Val di Tempi. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. And as you walk among the ancient ruins, kids can learn about the ancient Greek civilization that once thrived there. And all of those ancient ruins are just so inspiring for the whole family, especially when you have a really good guide who helps bring it to life, right? And it's not just the dull, here's another ruin, but here's where the market was, and here's how they used to live. The size of the site makes it perfect for exploring together as a family. The kids can ask questions about the ancient ruins and try to imagine what life was like thousands of years ago. After lunch at a place like the Acropolis restaurant, you head to your next destination, which is the Brucoli Resort in Syracuse, where you can relax and enjoy the resort amenities. After you explore Syracuse, a historic gem that is a wonderful blend of culture and shopping, you'll have some time to shop for souvenirs, grab a snack at the local cafes, and then head to the Gambino Winery for a wine tasting. The kids can try fresh fruit juices and learn about the local vineyards in a fun and interactive way. So, grape juice, different fruit juices, and you get to enjoy your Sicilian wine tasting experience. It's a great opportunity to enjoy the scenery while the kids experience the local culture and have a little fun on their own. On day 9, you'll visit Taormina, which is a stunning town with panoramic views of the Calabrian coast. You'll explore the ancient Greek amphitheater where kids can imagine gladiators performing in front of large crowds. Afterward, treat yourself to a traditional Sicilian snack like granita and brioche while enjoying the charming streets. At day 10, you'll have some time to enjoy the Brucoli Resort before heading back to Catania Airport for your departure. Your family will leave Sicily not with only souvenirs, but memories that last a lifetime, whether it's cooking together, exploring ancient ruins, or relaxing at the stunning resort. Sicily offers so much for families. I packed so much into this 10-day itinerary. I didn't even get Mount Etna in here. These incredible resorts are so great to relax, to be able to really balance the history and the culture and the architecture with that relaxation time and the kids' favorite pool and beach, right? It's such a great destination for that. If this doesn't sound like the right destination for your family, you might want to get our 18 Summers Guide. It's our 18 favorite family destinations, and it's organized by age. And so some of the other ones that I love to relax in are Croatia, so you put a lot of fun up in the front and relax at the beach on the back end. Portugal, the Azores, or even spend some time in Lisbon and then head down to the beach area after your time in the capital city. There's so many incredible places, and Showcase the World Travel is here to help create the perfect itinerary for you and your family. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel tips. And we cannot wait to work with you on your next European adventure. Don't forget to take a break from the busy.
Need help planning your next family vacation? Visit us at showcasetheworld.com to request a quote or schedule a free vacation consultation. Want more great travel tips? You'll find those there too.